I can swear, I can joke, I say what's on my mind. If I drink, if I smoke, I keep up with the guys, and you see me holding up my middle finger to I just want you back. I'm running to your side, flying my white flag, my white flag. My love, where are you? My love, where are you? Whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready, whenever you're ready. Can Let's follow these trails of heart, guys. Okay, go there, go here. Oop. There. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah? Last one. How did you get marked again, Spirit? I don't know. I just fell into here and then I got marked. Can you lead me over there? I guess so. Spirit got marked again. One like, one fix for Spirit. Bye-bye. And the hearts are still here. St. Valentine's Day. Just kidding. Oops.
What if I say, I know, you know? What if I told you I liked you? We stay, we go. What if I told you I liked you? I know, you know. What if I told you I liked you? We stay, we go. What if I told you I liked you?
Here is Spirit's quiz. Here we come. First question. Guess what I like to eat? Peanuts, oats, or cheese? 5 seconds. Okay, it's oats. Next question. What rank am I in the bird stars? Leader, co-leader, or elder? 5 seconds. Okay, it's leader, of course. Why? Next question. Who is the peanut eater in our group? Batman, me, or Zendira? Of course it's Batman. Why not? Okay, next question. Last one. Who is my mother? Cupcake or Zendira? Cupcake. Okay, Cookie the bird. Bye. See you for more Spirit quiz.
God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Spirit, hello, hello? It's not Spirit? Okay. What? Oh, I overslept. Okay. Spirit, Spirit! Spirit's not here? Thank you for telling. I'm going outside, I'm going in. It's raining. Ah! Ah! Thank you for telling me that, silly. Oh. What's my name again? Oh, thank you. Wait, Zendira? I am the queen. Bow to me. You know I'm just playing, right? Thanks for watching. Cookie the bird.
no more.